Now for these questions, we need to add a multiple of 100, so a number that ends in 2 zeros. And we can answer questions like this mentally, without needing to use column addition. So first, we have 8,241 plus 700. If we highlight the hundreds digits in our question, we start with 2 hundreds and we're adding 7 hundreds. So we'll have 9 hundreds in our answer, and all of our other digits will stay the same. So that's 8,941. Now we have 27,553 plus 800. Now here, if we highlight our hundreds digits, we have 5 plus 8, but that comes to 13, which is a 2-digit number, and we can only have 1 digit in each place value. So what we need to do is to highlight our thousands digit as well. So highlight the place value column to the left. Then we have 75 plus 8. That comes to 83. So instead of the 7 and the 5, we'll have an 8 and a 3 for 83. And all of our other digits that we've not highlighted will stay the same. So that's 28,353. Now 289,931 plus 400. If we highlight our hundreds digits, 9 plus 4 is 13, but that's a 2-digit number. So we need to go to the left and highlight our thousands digit as well. But now we have 99 plus 4. That's 103, but that's a 3-digit number, and we only have 2 digits highlighted. So we need to go to the left again and highlight our 10,000s digit as well. That means we have 899 plus 4. That's 903, so we're going to have a 9, a 0 and a 3 instead of these digits that we've highlighted. Our other digits will stay the same, so we get 290,331. 399,555 plus 700. If we highlight our hundreds digits, we have 5 plus 7, but that gives us 12, a 2-digit answer. So we go to the left and we have 95 plus 7, but that gives us 102, which is a 3-digit answer, and we've only highlighted 2 digits. If we go to the left again, we have 995 plus 7, but that's 1002, so a 4-digit answer, and we only have 3 digits highlighted. So here we need to go all the way over to our 100,000s place value and add 3,995 plus 7. That's 4,002. So these digits here will be replaced with a 4, a 0, a 0 and a 2. Our other digits in our tens and ones stay the same, so our answer is 400,255. So now let's show place value counters to represent the additions that we've done. For this first question, we started with 8,241. So that's 8 thousands, 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 1 1. We were adding 700, so if we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds, you can see that we now have 8 thousands, 9 hundreds, 4 tens and 1 1. So that's 8,941. Then we had 27,553, so that's 2 10,000s, 7,000s, 500s, 5 tens and 3 1s. We were adding 800, but remember, when we get 10 hundreds, we need to exchange those for another 1,000. So we can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundreds, and you can see that once we got to 10 hundreds, we needed to exchange for another 1,000. So now we have 8 thousands counters and 3 hundreds, So that's why we got 83 in the digits that we'd highlighted. Then we had 289,931. So that's 200 thousands, 8 10,000s, 9 thousands, 9 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1. We needed to add 400, but we already had 9 hundreds. So when we added 100, we could exchange that for 1,000, but then doing that gives us 10,000s. So we need to exchange those for one more 10,000. And that was just adding 100. So we need to add 200, 300, 400, and when we've done that, we get 290,331 because we have 200,000s, 9 10,000s, no thousands, 300s, 3 tens, and 1 1. Then our last question was 399,555. So that's 300,000s, 9 10,000s, 9 thousands, 500s, 5 tens, and 5 ones. We needed to add 700. We could add 1, 2, 3, 4, 500s, but adding 500s means we've got 10 hundreds altogether. So we exchange those for 1,000, but then we can exchange 10,000s for 1 10,000, and we can exchange 10 10,000s for 100,000 counter. So that was adding 500, so to add 700, we need to show 2 more hundreds. That gives us 400,255 because we have 400,000s, no 10,000s, no thousands, 200s, and we still have our 5 tens and 5 ones.